back to Aries Garage. I'm Casey, and today we are going to weld. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and drop this here. This is a Burnout Nation, one of my shirts. It's got Aries Garage here with red, white, blue, and then again on the back it's got Entire Unit Burnout, red, white, blue of course. So make sure you guys check those out. I'll have a link down to them down below. But anyway, today we are welding. So we have a helmet. We have our Clark 130 EN MIG welder. This does hook up to 110, 220, and gas. I believe you can also run it off gas. So, but for today we're gonna run it off 110 and see what all we can do. I have no clue whatsoever what I'm doing. I haven't even watched any how-to videos. I thought it'd be interesting to give you guys kind of like a video of just screwing around trying to figure out how to do it. I got my helmet. This is an auto darkening helmet. You don't have to have something that special. All this stuff was donated by my brother-in-law's boss, so huge shout out to him. Anyway, we're gonna jump into it. I'm gonna finish getting everything set up, and then I'll turn the camera back on. Alright guys, so I do know the number one important part, or one of the important aspects of welding is having a clean surface. So I did go ahead and weld, or not weld, I went ahead and sanded these down where I would be welding, and cleaned them off with some brake cleaner. So yeah, so I have the wire feed set on 4 and the power on 4, which power is the highest it can go. Wire feed goes all the way up to 10. I have no clue whatsoever. I might end up turning the wire feed down because I might end up moving slow. But I did go ahead and also clean down where I have my ground at. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and just jump into it. Again, you guys feel free to comment whatever you want because I know this is gonna be bad. But I do have my whistle tool gloves on. I don't know if these will work for welding, but yeah, we'll find out. Confident about it, so than I thought I was going to. Now the question is, can it hold its own? I did not burn any holes in my shirt, so that's nice. Let's see if we can lift it up. Look at that. How strong is it? So I can bend it just a little bit, but also it's on a weak point. So I definitely think I have it too hot. I'm going to show you guys why I think that. Alright, so here's what we have going on here. These are awful looking welds. Yeah, those are just really bad welds, guys. But let me show you guys. I can hold it. It is pretty strong. I can't bend it. So yeah, so it's not great. And I'm gonna do some more practicing, and I'll probably throw some more in this video. But drop a comment. Let me know what it means when everything's white like it is, because it was not like that to start with. I'm assuming it's because I have it too hot. But yeah, my cursive ease idea did not work out as planned. I think I need to slow down quite a bit. So I'm gonna give it some more practicing here and see what all happens. Okay, all right, so this time I have a welding magnet on this side, and we're gonna try it and go straight up here. Again, I went ahead and sanded it down, cleaned it off with some brake cleaner, make sure there's no oils or anything. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to go a little bit slower this time. Maybe try those cursive E's again and give that a go. And yeah, so we're gonna flip this bad boy on. Real quick, actually, I went ahead and turned the power down to 3. I feel like it's kind of important for me to get to know the machine and what it can do before I kind of start diving into the deep stuff. And that theory could be totally wrong. That's just kind of like, you know, how I've always learned stuff. Before I continue, I want to make sure that the camera has me in frame real quick. So I'm gonna stop and do that real quick. awful. So some of the issues I'm having here, right off the bat, I think it's definitely wire feed. Finding, you know, by the time I'm getting it to stick, or by the time I'm getting a nice little puddle going, like I get like one super small puddle going, and then it just wants to, there's not enough wire there, like coming out fast enough to keep the puddle going, so it like has enough time for the weld to dry, or harden, I guess is the correct word. I mean, it's on there. I mean, let's see. I mean, yeah. You see what I mean? Like, let me show you guys here. So right here, if you guys can see that, I started to get a nice little, like, decent spot going, but then it was just so spotty there. Same thing over here. I didn't get really any spots where I had a good trail going. So that's kind of the issue I'm running into. Definitely my fault, nothing to do with the welder whatsoever. All right. So I'm having better luck. I did get a really good bead going here. I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm going between these crevices and just seeing what kind of bead I can get going here. Rather than trying to weld stuff together, I want to slow it down just a little bit and see what all I can do. So yeah, so we're going to turn this back on.
For the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want to act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste.
Okay, I am extremely happy with that. So, I'm going to take you guys off the stand real quick and give you guys a quick glimpse of that real quick. Okay guys, so this was trying to weld the piece vertically. As you can see, it's very spotty, very awful. Right here is, I didn't weld anything, just tried to get in between this crevice here. Turned out halfway decent at the end here. Started to figure it out, but very spotty. And right here is the strip that I just did. And that is not too bad for my first day of welding, in my opinion. Again, I haven't even watched any how-to videos. I did see not too long ago that Chris Fix posted a how-to video. I did not watch that because I knew I was going to be learning to weld soon, and I wanted to just dive into it and give you guys like a first day experience here with no background or anything in welding. I just wanted to give you guys an honest thing of how to do it on your own, or like the experience of learning or teaching yourself. So that's not too bad. Definitely got some improvements to do. I will not take away from that whatsoever. I'm going to practice off camera. I'm going to wrap up the video here though. Thanks you. I'm so excited I can't even talk. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out sponsorship information down below for tools and radiators, all that stuff. There's discount codes, and don't forget to check out shirts. But anyway, I'll catch you guys later, and thanks for watching.